Where you have unique installation requirements and the need to be more efficient, our prefab team at Space Age Electronics can help from the design stages through production. Utilizing our vast array of standard components and combining them with your system devices, we can design a layout for approvals and provide assemblies that will help save time and money through the entire process. So how do we accomplish this, you ask? Let's explore the process a little deeper. You'll work with our team to come up with a design that best suits your application. This gets you a wire layout for review and approvals that will highlight a solution tailored to your exact needs. Next, we build and test the electronics here in our Sterling facility. This means your solution gets the hands-on attention it deserves, as well as gives us the flexibility to use our components and on-site expertise. Once the project is underway, we'll assign a part number to your layout, and you can use it globally across any and all of your projects. It's a prefab solution with a fixed known cost. Then, in the future, when you need any number of your solutions made up, we can take your system devices, like control or monitor modules, install them into our UL listed enclosures with our UL listed supervision relays, terminal strips, and even surge protectors when needed. This gives you a field-ready and point-labeled solution. It's a win-win. These solutions reduce installation time and make more sense for the installer, any troubleshooting, and will also allow for easier test and maintenance down the road. Get involved early and let Space Age prefab your solutions today. For more information, visit us at onesae.com.